What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. Now, today was another day like Friday, where we get a big extended move to the downside early in the morning, and then we finally bottom out and we get almost a V-shaped recovery back up to the opening range. So congratulations to all of you guys who took some fantastic winners. I know a lot of you guys, 95% of the people in Evolution Traders had green days today. We were all seeing the market very, very clearly. Congratulations to a few of you guys who passed more evaluation accounts with Apex. Some of you guys are also working on those funded accounts. Continue to trade those funded accounts very, very smart and tight to the vest. Now, if we kind of recap what's going on here, a couple of these plays early in the morning, we're getting a lot of volatility. We're getting a lot of chop in that first 30 minutes of the market. I would definitely recommend, if you're brand new to trading futures, if you're brand new to an evaluation, sit out the first 20 to 30 minutes of the day. You're going to thank me later. Sit out the first 20 to 30 minutes of the day. Wait for price action to slow down. Wait for some market structures to get built. Wait for some candlesticks to start printing so you guys can see better levels and clearer levels. Now, what I have here is a fib. I've got a fib from the high of day, which is the overnight highs, all the way down to the low of day that we made here. This was getting adjusted on the way down as we put in that low of day until we finally made the final resting spot low of day. Now, we had a little bit of a 20 SMA play here that was a fake out. This one was a loser. We did have a little bit of a winner here on a half range candle, as well as a quick scalp. You guys in Evolution Traders know what I'm talking about on that one. And then once we got this short setup, it was a 35-point range. Now, we tried to break back over the 20 SMA. However, we could not hold. This trade failed, and we did not break those overnight session highs. Once we did not break those overnight session highs, all of our attention has to be turned to the downside. Once this 20 SMA confirmed, it did confirm for a 1-to-1 of 36 points and more. Again, I'm not going to say we could have caught 50 points, 60 points, 70 points. Let's just keep it very, very simple. Did this trade confirm for a 1-to-1 on 35 points, given our reason why candle as a stop? Any closure over that would get us out of the position. And we're looking for those 35 points on that range. Now, we wicked above it very, very quickly, but again, patience pays. Again, remember, we do not get taken out on the wicks. We need a candle to close. So we get the 1-to-1 here. Now, we get our first 20 SMA set up to the long side, 32-point range. I don't even need to tell you guys that it paid out, because it did pay out. You can see visibly here by the candlesticks. We did get a 20 SMA short. Now, I want to bring something to your attention. If we haven't taken out the new low of day, and we've kind of bottomed out here with this doji candle, this indecision candle, maybe it's probably best to stay away from going short in consolidation when we haven't made a new low of day and we're coming off 1, 2 legs down. This 20 SMA play does confirm 22 points. I don't even need to do the math. You guys can clearly see here that you would have got a 1-to-1 here. Even if you took every single trade, okay, you would have lost this one, closing back over the 20, or the reason why stop. You could have taken the long later here once we broke the structure high, using a previous 5-minute candle as a stop. You could have taken the 20 SMA long here. That paid for 22 points. This one paid for 32 points. That's 50 points. This one paid for 35 points here. That's around 85 points on the day. And if we did take a little bit of a loser here, then we give back 25 points. So all in all, we should have made anywhere between 50 points on the day. Again, if you're trading heavier size, where you're trading mini contracts, maybe we don't need to catch the 50 points. Maybe we can catch 5 points here, right? We can catch another 5 points here. We can catch 5 points here. We can catch 5 points here. So we can kind of piece together a day and have a really solid day, taking 15, 20, 25 points, trading heavier size. But to those of you guys who are taking the slow approach, a little bit of a smarter approach, again, depending on if you're in an evaluation or funded account, I always tell everyone this. If you're in an evaluation account, have at it. Okay, your maximum risk is the amount that it costs you for that evaluation. Most of you guys trade on Apex. Right now, those accounts are trading at like $18. So the most you're going to lose is $18. So have at it, do what you would like. If you guys are in the funded stage, be a little bit more smart, because now we're talking about potentially taking real money as a payout. We do not want to go crazy and look for these big high flyers. We want base hits. We want to stay consistent day in and day out. Set yourself a personal daily loss limit. Again, do not use your whole account balance as your daily loss limit once you're in the funded stage. Give yourself $150, $250, maximum risk that you can lose. If you lose that, then you have to call it a day. I hope all of you guys had a fantastic day. Hope you guys have a fantastic week. Again, my name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. I'll see all of you guys in the room tomorrow. I'll see the rest of you guys on YouTube. Catch you guys all later.